here at Storm Stayed. We have our New England Pale Ale, we have our IPA, we have our Irish Red, and our Milkshake Kettle Sour. So an amazing selection here at Storm Stayed. Great little brewery, smack dab in the middle of a couple awesome neighborhoods here in London. Again, because of COVID, forced to stay outside, but really nice people, nice ambiance. Got our cameraman Jake and I enjoying this awesome city. We had Western University, we had Anderson, Toboggan, now Storm Stayed. Awesome selection, loving it. Which one to cheers? I don't even know. Let's pick the Pale Ale. Rack them up, folks. Rack them up again. Make it 3. Quattro amigo. Sayonara. Okay folks, segment 3 finished. Awesome visit at Storm Stayed here in London, Ontario. Wonderful beer selection there, really enjoyed the Milkshake Kettle Sour called Shook. Awesome beer, you guys gotta check it out. When you're here in London next, make sure to visit Storm Stayed. Make sure to grab some awesome beer here. Segment 3 is done. On to our last segment, number 4 of our visit here to London, Ontario. Beautiful city, having an awesome time thus far. If you guys aren't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do it now. Stay up to date on all of our adventures here in Southern Ontario. Make sure to hit that like button as well. Why not? It's free. Thank you so much. Stay safe, be kind, and remember, craft beer is here.